how many the ladybird, lightning bird. That's like 10 of them, a dozen of them here. Wow.
Oh, touch it.
Huh?
Touch it.
Okay. Okay, don't step on it, okay? Wow.
Just touch it.
Mm-hmm.
Touch it. Little touch it. 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 Touch it.
Wow.
Touch it. Touch it. Touch
I
it.
can't believe how many there are.
Touch
Look,
it. Touch it.
it's a nest.
Touch it. Touch it.
Mommy, come here. You gotta see this. Hurry.
Oh wow! Wow, look, that's a lot. Look, listen.
Leave them, don't touch them.
Look right here. I said, look. Oh my goodness. There's a lot. Look. You put it in your hand.
A hand.
Ah. Take some picture for us.
Yay. Okay.
Oh, okay. Beautiful, right? What is it? Lightning bug?
Bring the bag.
Lightning bug. Lightning the bug. Lightning bug. Wow, you found a lot. Their house. That's their house.
Okay, let me take a picture.